evening session of 13 Celesta International 2020. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the second day evening session of 13 Celesta International 2020. Today, we have gathered here for the event Instrumental. Prayer is surrendering oneself to the hands of the Lord. It helps a person grow out of his own limitations, helplessness, and sense of insecurity. We surrender ourselves to the feet of the Lord, realizing that it is the only way to touch universal consciousness. So, it is over to the choir for the school prayer.
It's an international musical fiesta. It's an international musical fiesta. Seeds of passion, peace, emotion, and is love for every human. He's the echo of good thoughts and sense, as his sound which is pleasant. He's stone age auditorium, baby, show of performance, performance, performance. Music is the food of soul, so chill and free and rock and roll. Music is the food of soul, so chill and free and rock and roll. Celesta, Celesta, Celesta. It's an international musical fiesta, fiesta, fiesta.
We humans are a musical species, no less than a linguistic one. The depth of music, so easy to understand, yet so inexplicable, expresses the quintessence of life and its events. Music is the best reflection of today's diversity, multiculturalism, and globalization. Celesta is one such platform that connects people across cultural boundaries, promotes understanding and global unification through music. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you all, we received 29 entries for the event Instrumental. The 10 finalists have been shortlisted on the basis of the following criteria. 20% weightage has been given to polling and 80% weightage has been given to the opinion of the judges. The final marks will now be awarded by the judges. The decision of the judges will be final. Now, I would like to introduce you all to our eminent judges. Our first judge is Professor Jayashree Roy. Ma'am is a senior reputed violinist of Hindustani classical musical. She hails from a family that is deeply rooted in performing arts and fine arts. She holds many degrees in music from national and international universities. She received prestigious awards from the Government of India as well as abroad. She received the title of Surshri from the Government of India. Our second judge is Mr. Monty Massey. He is a musician and a founder member of the leading band of Uttar Pradesh, Trishna Bani. The band stood runner-up in many reality TV shows like India's Got Talent, Idea Rocks India, and many more. He worked as a bass guitarist for shows like Saregamappa, Indian Idol, Dil Hai Hindustani, Voice India, and Chota Ustad. Mr. Monty Massey is a renowned guitarist, drummer, and a vocalist. Our third judge is Pandit Vikas Mishra. He is a famous tabla artist of Indian music. He is from the Banaras Gharana Tabla. A-grade artist in All India Radio and Doordarshan. He got many awards like National Scholars Gold Medal in Youth Festival and also performed at Indradhanush President House, New Delhi. A huge round of applause for our eminent judges. We expect that all the participants are here. Before viewing their presentation, I will call out the name of the participants who will have to introduce themselves live. Our first participant is Harmeet Singh. Harmeet, please introduce yourself.
Hello friends, my name is Harmeet Singh. I study in CMS RDSO branch in class 11th.
Harmeet, can you please turn on your camera? Harmeet, please introduce yourself.
Parmeet, you are muted. You are muted. Unmute yourself.
Hello friends, my name is Harmeet Singh. I study in Chhati Montessori School RDSO branch in class 11th B2 branch.
My name is Ranjit Singh. I study in class 11 CMS Harifu.
presentation. Our next participant is Adil Ali. Adil, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Adil Ali of City Montessori School, Indiranagar campus of class 10th.
Adil, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Adil Ali.
Adil, it seems that you're not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you're audible. Thank you.
Okay. I'm Adil Ali of City Montessori School, Indiranagar campus. I study in class 10th.
Thank you so much, Adil, for your presentation. Our next participant is Ansh Kumar. Ansh, please introduce yourself.
Good evening and Jai Hind everyone. I am Ansh Kumar. I study in class 9D and I am from Sunbeam School, Sun City.
Thank you so much, Ansh. Our next participant is Anuj Chauhan. Anuj, please introduce yourself. It seems Anuj got disconnected. There must be some connectivity issue at his end. Anuj is from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan. Let us proceed with this presentation. Thank you so much, Anuj. Our next participant is Sarthak Mishra. Sarthak, please introduce yourself. Sarthak, are you there? It seems Sarthak got disconnected. There must be some connectivity issue at his end. Sarthak is from Jagran Public School, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Let us proceed with this presentation. Thank you so much, Sarthak. Our next participant is Aditi Kumar. Aditi, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. My name is Aditi Kumar. I'm an 8th grade student at the British International School in Chicago. I've been doing piano since grade 1, so almost 7 years now. So I'm preparing for the grade 6 ABRSM. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aditi. Our next participant is Anirudh Kumar. Anirudh, please introduce yourself.
Good evening. My name is Anirudh, and I am studying in class 12 at the British International School of Chicago. I have been playing clarinet and piano for almost 7 years, and I just finished ABRSM grade 6 and am preparing for grade 8 now. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anirudh. Our next participant is Divya Gautam. Divya, please introduce yourself.
Nice to meet you all. My name is Divya Gautam. I'm from City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar Campus 2, and I hope all of you are doing well.
Thank you so much, Divya. Our next participant is Sukham Kaur. Sukham, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sukham Kaur. I study in CMS, Gomti Nagar Extension, and I have performed Stay Gold by BTS. I hope you all like my performance.
Thank you so much, Sukham, for that presentation. Our last participant is Kushal Makhija. Kushal, please introduce yourself.
A very cheerful evening to one and all present here. Myself, Kushal Makhija from Jagran Public School, Lucknow. It's a pleasure to be a part of this wonderful event.
Thank you so much, Kushal. Now, I would like to request our esteemed judges to throw light on the performances that we have witnessed. Because of some technical glitch, Jayashree ma'am, oh, sorry, Professor Jayashree Roy, ma'am, would you like to share your opinion with us? Ma'am, you're not clearly audible. Unmute yourself.
Hello?
Ma'am?
Yes. Am I audible?
You're audible. Thank you so much.
Yes. A very good evening to all of you. I'm extremely sorry that I could not join this meeting in time because there was some problem in my mobile. I was unable to connect it. I was trying for 20 minutes last. The students have done so well. They're doing, and it's a great job for you all that in this Corona period you have done this very nice competition, and the students are doing well. It's very difficult to judge percussion instrument and the melodic and the Indian music and the Western. Even I have tried my best. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Mr. Monty Massey, sir, would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, hi, thank you. Thank you so much, Jayashree ma'am and Jyoti ma'am for inviting me. I was very excited and I was here. I heard all the performances and quickly want to just talk to all participants that you guys did a wonderful job. And one thing which is very important for you as students, as music learners, and for us, for all of us, to keep learning. Music has no end, and I know some of you are learning, some of you are gifted. There are a lot of people, they want to learn music and they try to learn. I teach so many people, I take online classes and stuff out of India and all. They've been learning for quite well, but they cannot learn. So music is something that it's a gift of God. So there are people, they want to learn, but they cannot learn. So you are gifted. God has, given you this gift to play music, to learn. So my point is for all of you to just keep learning. You all did great job, and to polish more and to upgrade yourself and to achieve on a level, to reach somewhere. Just you have to do only one thing. You have to keep on learning music. That's it. A big cheers to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Pandit Vikas Mishra. Sir, would you like to share your opinion with us?
Hi everyone, myself Vikas Mishra, and I'm really, this work is going, it's very good work all over the world, especially that Celesta group on stage is doing a good job, just because of this coming the interest in the children's, because now in that time, everybody's following the Western country and Western music, but now is very good and very big job is doing from this stage. And thank you so much. And every children is doing very well. And from my side is blessed for them. And thank you so much, Jyoti ma'am, and everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. We thank each one of our honorable judges for sharing their valuable opinion on this event and enlightening us with their words of wisdom. Well, we witnessed a lot of amazing and praiseworthy performances. Each was one step ahead of the other. But competition is a competition.
Yes.
So, among the 10 finalists, we will send the link to 5 participants who will be nominated for the prize distribution ceremony on the 17th of October 2020 at 5:30 p.m. Each participant will receive a participation certificate as a token of appreciation of their effort and talent. Music is all pervasive, and yet we often seem to take it for granted. If we look at all the historical societies of the past, we can deduce with a high degree of certainty that it has always been a very important part of our lives. The manner in which music transcends global barriers and even otherwise extremely difficult linguistic ones is magical. On this note, we come to the end of this event. Now, I would like to call upon our respected senior principal, Jyoti Kashyap ma'am, to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Nandini. You were so good. And many of you must be wondering why this event at this hour, 7 o'clock in the evening. So, for your information, and I'm sure you must have got to know by now, that we have certain participants from other countries also, and we just saw the performances of 2 of them, Aditi and Anirudh, and they happen to be from Chicago. And the time, I think the time difference is around 10 hours. So it's around 9 o'clock probably there in the morning. So that is why we had to keep it at this point of time. So apologies for any inconvenience which has been caused to anybody because of this. Now coming to the performances of the students, they were really too good. And I would like to congratulate each and every child for giving in his best. It was really amazing. And I'm sure, as the judges just now mentioned, it is a very difficult task to judge an event where everybody is so good, each one better than the other. And then all of them, all the judges, they are such good judges. They are renowned in their own fields. Professor Jayashi Roy, you just heard her. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us and for judging this event. It was very sweet of you, very kind of you to have accepted our invitation to judge the event. Thank you, really. Thanks a lot for that. Mr. Monty Messi, we have seen him perform. I don't know how many of you have seen him perform. I think he was there for India's Got Talent or Indian Idol. And they really, the entire band, that was so good that we all were thinking that they would be the winners. Probably they were the first runner-up.
Yeah,
So-
yeah, right, ma'am. It was India's Got Talent, Colors TV. Yeah, right.
Got Talent. Yes, yes, Monty. So
Thank
we
you,
have
ma'am.
viewed that, and it was wonderful. It was really very, very good, and we all were witness to that. So we have people of such high repute who are judging your event. That is, I think that speaks volumes about the level of Celesta. And then we have Pandit Vikas Mishra ji, who also was one of the judges. And thank you very much for being there for us, for our students. And you are always there. Whenever we ask your help, you're always there. As Nandini pointed out right in the beginning, there were 29 entries for this event, but it is very difficult to show all 29. It would have taken a very long time. So 10 were shortlisted, and as I've been told to you, now only 5 out of these 10 would go for the nominations on the 17th at 5:30 when we have the award ceremony. Thank you very much for being a part of this event. I'm sure you all enjoyed as much as I did. Thank you very much, Jai Jagat. Good night and have a wonderful evening now. Thank you.
Ma'am. I would like to thank our esteemed judges, all the participants, and the distinguished guests for taking time out of their busy schedule and gracing this event with their presence. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thanks a lot.
Celesta, it's an international musical fiesta. It's an international musical fiesta. Seeds of passion, peace, emotion, and is love for every human. He's for senses. That's his song, which is present. He's stories of victory, and here we show our performance. Performance. Music is the food of soul, so chill and free and rock and roll. Music is the food of soul, so chill and free and rock and roll. Celesta, Celesta, Celesta. It's an international musical fiesta, fiesta, fiesta.